It took me 9 years to learn this, but I'll teach you in a minute. Here are 10 uncomfortable truths about life. Number 1, a salary is a drug your employer gives you to forget your dreams. Number 2, if you continue to wait for the right time, you'll waste your entire life and nothing will happen. Number 3, even when you trust your close friends and family, let them know nothing about you. Number 4, you lose 99% of your close friends if you start upgrading your life. Number 5, you'll be 10 times happier if you forgive your parents and stop blaming them for your problems. Number 6, you become more mature when you train yourself to take nothing personally. Number 7, you don't need 100 self-help books. All you need is action plus self-discipline. Number 8, the most difficult mission on earth is to focus on your dreams, and the easiest task is to complain. Number 9, by age 30, your inner circle should be more focused on making money, building their body, and starting a family. Number 10, people are stuck in toxic relationships because they're afraid to be alone.